Today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a yard edger. Another area that you'll want to familiarize yourself with on your gas-powered yard tool, and as well as the electric. And this area is the trigger control or the throttle control. This particular one is located just before the engine. This one, the electric model, is towards the back. This particular model also has a safety feature built in. It won't allow you to depress the throttle or the trigger unless you depress the safety release. So in order to rev up the engine, you have to press the safety release, and then it allows you to operate the trigger. This particular model is a variable speed. The more we pull the trigger, the faster the engine goes. The less we pull the trigger, the slower the engine goes. And this allows a little more precision depending upon where you're at or what you're trying to accomplish. On a gas-powered yard kill switch, typically located somewhere close to the engine or the throttle control. This kill switch is what turns the engine off after it's running. It's also necessary to make sure it's in the on position, the gas-powered yard tool. On an electric yard tool, there is no kill switch. It's merely just the throttle control.